Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to make money online. It's actually one of the ways by which I make money online, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notified of contents like this that I drop in the future. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into my computer. And this is my browser. I'm going to type in the web address, which is Adclickxpress.is. Alright, so once you open the site, you click on sign up. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So you're on this page, you scroll down and you click on sign up. It will pop up in the area. So here you fill in your detail. Then for the sponsor email, this is sponsor email or username. You're going to type Augustine UG@gmail.com. This is actually my email address. So I am your sponsor for now. And then here you're going to type in these letters. So type in the letters in the box on the right. So you type in these letters here and then you submit. Boom, it says that thank you for your interest in Adclickx, what. So you were just sent a confirmation email. So we're going to check our email address, we're going to check our inbox and click on the notification. The confirmation is sent to us. This is our email. There it is, first one there. You click on it. This is the confirmation link. You click on it. So now it brings us to this page and it says that we should enter our password and confirm the password. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to enter password. Then you have to click on this terms of service. So terms of service, click the terms of service to agree to the terms of service, and then you submit. You can see that it is checked there. Then you submit it, and once you submit, you're good to go. Greetings. You see that? Greetings, Joy. Your membership has been successfully created. Your new member ID. Now, this is your member ID. This member ID is what you're going to be using to log into Adclickxpress. So we're going to click on this red button. It will take us to the member area. This is a congratulatory message from Adclickxpress. He said you have just purchased your first ad packs. This is by default. Now what this means is that as soon as you register, you'll be given a bonus of one ad pack, and each ad pack costs $10. And what Adclickx does is that each and every ad pack you purchase, for instance, if you purchase one ad pack which costs $10, Adclickx is going to pay you 150% on that ad packs. Meaning, if you purchase an ad packs for $10, you're going to get $15 on that ad packs, and then as soon as you are paid 150% of that ad packs, the ad pack will expire and you will have to buy another one again. So when it expires, you have the option of withdrawing your money. You withdraw your money and then you use the same money to purchase more ad packs, or if you don't wish to continue, you just simply back off. No matter the number of ad packs you have, Adclickx will pay you 150% on that ad packs. But there is how it works. They don't just pay you 150% like that. There are things that you need to be doing on the site on a daily basis for them to pay you, and the payment is on a daily basis, and you have the option to withdraw this money on a daily basis if you wish. Now let's continue. We click on this ad website. What we are going to do here is we are going to click on become an affiliate. Become an affiliate, and yeah, upgrade to affiliate account. So I'm just going to be cutting things short. You know, no need of reading through long statements. So I know how it works already. So become an affiliate is a upgrade to become an affiliate. Now click it. Now, okay, upgrade to affiliate account. Now you want us to confirm if we are upgrading to affiliate account, and we say yes, continue. And one last step, please check your email address for confirmation link. So we have to go back to our email address and click on the confirmation link. Here is our email address. This is the former one. Let's go back to see the new one here. So account conversion request. So click on this one. So we now confirm by clicking on this link. Yeah, it brings us back to our dashboard, but this time with a different look. Can you see that? So once you get in there, you click your dashboard, and this is what you're going to see on your dashboard. Set your free $10 crypto test drive. Now what this means is that each time anybody that opens accounts, once you open accounts with Adclickxpress for the first time, they're going to give you a $10 bonus. They call it test drive. So they're just going to give you $10 free of charge, like that, you know. So you come down here, you click on activate account. You just purchase your first ad packs, $10. You see? So that $10 you were given, automatically you have used it to purchase an ad pack. So you come here and click on get paid. So you click on this button, but before you click on this button, watch this. Look at this area. You can see that everything here is reading 00000. Now this is for deposited funds. This is ad packs, you know, amount you have in ad packs and so on. So once you click on this get paid, you will see that money will be added to that wallet. You see, you were just paid $0.0250. So this is your bonus, and this fund is withdrawable. You can withdraw this money. Just that the minimum withdrawal for Adclickxpress is $5. But if you make deposits into this account, you'll be able to purchase ad packs that will pay you more money than you expect. Anyway, let's continue so you see. There are two types of ad packs in Adclickxpress. The first ad packs is this one you're seeing here. That is the normal ad packs. It pays you 0.5%. It pays you 0.5% of your investment. That is of whatever amount of ad packs you buy. For instance, if you put in $10 and you buy an ad pack which costs $10, they're going to pay you 0.5% of that $10 every day. Now, there's another kind of ad packs in Adclickxpress. It's called premium ad pack. Once you purchase that premium ad pack, they have a prevailing rate that they always put on the dashboard for you to see. Now, let's refresh this page, or let's click on dashboard for you to see that prevailing interest rate, the prevailing rate we're talking about. Once you purchase an ad pack, a premium ad packs pays you, this premium ad pack now will pay you 19% every day until it has paid you 150%. It will not expire. Whereas the other ad packs which pays you 0.5% every day, that one is for life. It pays you 0.5% for life. Like the free $10 they gave you, they give me for signing up. If you wish to buy the normal ad packs that pays you 0.5% for life, it is your choice. If you wish to purchase this premium ad packs that pays you 9%, and this premium ad packs, this percentage changes, is not stable. It changes. It starts from 10%. It goes up. It will be increasing until it gets to 50%. Now it is at 19% now. No matter, irrespective of the percentage, it's going to pay you 150% before it expires. Now, the percentage only means that the number of days it will take to pay you that 150% will just vary. The lesser the percentage, the more the days it will take to pay the 150%. And the more the percentage, the less the days it will take. For instance, if this premium ad packs, if this percentage is at 50%, you just log into your dashboard and you saw that today's premium rate is paying 50%, and you deposit your money there and you buy the premium ad packs. It's going to take you just 3 days to make 150%. So the first day you click on get paid, they'll pay you 50% of your $10. Maybe you buy ad packs for $10, pay you 50% of $10, which will give you $5. Then the following day you still log in, you click on get paid, they pay you another 50%. The following day again you log in, you click on get paid, you get your 150% complete. Then the ad pack expires. You now withdraw your money. If you wish to put it back, buy more ad packs, you do. If you don't wish, you take your money and get out. But this is a system that has come to stay. So the issue of taking your money and getting out has not arisen and will not even arise, because you will enjoy this website as time goes on. Now, what are you supposed to be doing every day to get paid? Each time you log into your account, you come here to the top corner here, this place. It said get paid now. You click on it. It will take you to another page where it will still bring up where you click on get paid now again. Now this is the second button for get paid. Once you click this one, now you get paid just like we did before. But watch this place. They said number of ad packs 1, not yet paid today 0, meaning you have one ad pack, but how many ad packs are not yet paid today is 0, meaning you don't have an outstanding payment for today. We have already collected the payments, so we don't have any outstanding payments. Some people might ask, what business or how do Adclickx get the money they pay you? Well, Adclickx, as the name implies, Adclickx, that ad there is for advertising. Advertising clicks. So now they basically run advertisements for people. Even you, if you still want to run an ads on your website or something, or any ads at all, you can do that on Adclickx. For a token, you pay for running ads on Adclickx and they'll do it for you. That is one of the ways they make money. And another way they make money is through crypto trading. They trade on cryptocurrencies and on forex. So they do all this trading, and that is basically what they do with the funds you use to purchase ad packs. They use it to trade on cryptocurrencies, and they give you some percentage as returns. Once you log into Adclickxpress, you go to the dashboard, you will see a video there telling you what Adclickxpress do, how they make their money, and how they pay you. I just clicked on the dashboard and this is the video loading, and once it's finished loading, you can watch it on your own. You will see, let me see if I can play it here.
The home of ACX crypto. We appreciate your trust and participation.
Well, if you have time, you go through that video yourself, and there are so many other things here that you get to know as time goes on. But if you are in the WhatsApp group, you can just remain there in case you have any question to ask, or you see anything you do not understand. You can ask me and I'll be there to give you replies. I'll be there to answer you. And in case if you're not in the WhatsApp group yet, I'll leave the WhatsApp group description or the WhatsApp number in the description below. So you follow the description and join the WhatsApp group, or you follow the WhatsApp link. I think I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below. You follow it and join. And so check out the video on how to make deposits and withdrawals to and from Adclickxpress. Thanks for watching.